Monetizing a UCC-1 financing statement is a complex and controversial topic. While many people in sovereignty and commercial redemption circles speak of monetizing a UCC-1, it's important to distinguish lawful, legitimate business uses from myths or potentially fraudulent interpretations of commercial law. Let's break this down into what is possible, what is lawful, and how to strategically approach monetization through business arrangements and asset leverage. 1. What a UCC-1 filing actually does. A UCC-1 does not create value or money by itself. It is a public notice that you, as the secured party, have a security interest in a debtor's collateral. Most often, this is used in commerce to perfect a lien, establish priority over other creditors, notify third parties of your interest in specific assets. Filing a UCC-1 does not create negotiable credit or a liquid instrument unless it is backed by an underlying contract, value, or claim. 2. What monetizing can actually mean, lawfully. Let's go over several strategic and lawful paths. Assign the UCC security interest. If you have a perfected UCC-1 filing, you may be able to assign the interest to another party in exchange for value. This usually works only if the underlying debt or obligation is legitimate. The collateral has clear commercial value, e.g., real estate, receivables. A buyer or investor sees value in the lien or claim. Tool: file a UCC-3 assignment and enter into a contract for value. B. Leverage the UCC-1 as evidence in private contracting. You can use the UCC-1 as a supporting document in private agreements, especially in the context of asset-backed transactions, credit facilities, private trust relationships. For example, if you're creating a business trust or private operating agreement, the UCC-1 can be used as an evidentiary exhibit that shows your claim to an asset, allowing you to back negotiable instruments with that claim. Tool: include the UCC-1 as an appendix in private placement memoranda, or as collateral support for a promissory note or bill of exchange. C. Use the collateral as the basis for a demand loan. If your UCC-1 references a tangible or intangible asset, such as intellectual property, accounts receivable, or real estate contracts, you may structure a demand loan agreement secured by the UCC-1 and offer it to private investors, real estate sellers, asset holders seeking liquidity. Tool: create a demand loan or installment loan agreement secured by UCC-1 collateral. D. Bundle with a trust or holding entity. One advanced method is to 1. Assign the UCC lien to a trust, irrevocable or business trust. 2. Use the trust as a holding entity that accepts asset contributions, issues certificates of beneficial interest, CBIs, transacts with vendors or property sellers using lawful consideration backed by the trust. Tool: use trust minutes, UCC-3 assignment, and trustee resolutions to manage asset transactions. 3. Legal and practical warning. Many people believe that filing a UCC-1 over their strawman, the artificial legal person/entity, allows them to draw credit, write checks, or acquire property as if it's a treasury bond. This is not recognized in mainstream commercial law and could lead to serious fraud charges or rejection of documents by courts or institutions. Stay lawful, grounded in contracts, and asset-backed finance. 4. How to move forward, next steps. Let's build a strategy tailored to your case. Please answer the following. 1. What collateral is named in your UCC-1? 2. Who is the debtor and who is the secured party? You? 3. Do you have a supporting contract, promissory note, or asset schedule? 4. Are you looking to transact with private parties, e.g., seller-financed land deals, or with institutional lenders? 5. Do you have a trust or business entity involved? Once I have that info, I can help you. Draft an assignment agreement. Structure a demand loan agreement or private asset sale contract. Set up a trust or holding company to transact with third parties. Prepare supporting documents, PDF/Word, for signature and notary. Would you like to proceed by reviewing the UCC-1 contents together or beginning with a sample demand loan and trust structure?